We'll guide you through how to delete Dropbox files step by step, so you can free up space or remove unwanted documents with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand sidebar and click on Files. Here, you'll see all your files and folders listed. To delete a single file, hover your mouse over the file you want to remove. You'll see a checkbox appear on the left side of the file name. Click the checkbox to select the file. Then, go and look for the Delete option at the top of the file list. Click on Delete to remove the file. Dropbox will ask you to confirm your choice, so make sure to click Delete again in the confirmation dialog. If you want to delete multiple files at once, simply check the boxes next to each file you wish to remove and then hit the Delete button as before. For those of you who might have deleted a file by accident, don't worry. Dropbox keeps deleted files in a recovery section for 30 days, so you can restore them if needed. Just go to the Deleted Files section on the left sidebar, find your file, and click Restore if you change your mind. Remember that deleting files from Dropbox will free up space in your account, but make sure you have a backup if the files are important. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.